Hi, this is the CWKanban update for November 2018. We've recently introduced 3 new features: service level agreements, changing ticket priority, and dragging between member swim lanes. Service level agreements can now be visualized on the Kanban boards. Cards can now display indicators and warnings based on a ticket's SLA. This helps identify cards at risk of missing their SLA deadline. The SLA indicator will turn orange when its expiry is drawing near, and red when it's expired. You can filter your Kanban boards by SLA stage, or by the time remaining on an SLA. The card indicators can be configured via the column settings. For details on how to utilize this feature, please see the CWKanban Knowledgebase. Ticket priority can now be set from Kanban. Using the card's menu, we can change this ticket from quick response to emergency response. The ticket's priority bar has gone from orange to red, displaying its new higher priority. When organized by resource swim lanes, cards can now be dragged between swim lanes to change the assigned members. When I drag from one swim lane, the member from the starting swim lane is removed, and the member from the target swim lane is added. Have questions? Let us know. Email help@cwkanban.com.